Hi class. Today is March 13th. Of course, I know it's right before spring break, so I just want to remind everybody, make sure that you are completing the exam, okay, here in D2L. I just want to remind everybody that, again, in order to access it, you can either click here, okay, or you can actually, just go here and then click on quizzes. Here, I'll show you guys again. Let me just go to student view one more time. But whoop, I'm actually in student view, so I do apologize for that. Go here, go back to here, and then again, just go here and of course, click on it, and then just again, you can go ahead and scroll down, and then of course, make sure that you do hit start quiz. So, just want to make sure everybody has that clarified there. Now, you probably heard though that Ames actually is extending spring break for you guys until March 30th. However, you guys are not allowed to attend classes. Really, all classes are, so make sure you are in contact with the other instructors. Not allowed to be back here till April 13th. So it's a 2-week window where it's going to be online. Okay, I just want to let everybody know that it is going to be online. But the good news is that I have taught online before for years. Okay, so again, we'll get through this together. Okay, so one thing I want to emphasize too is the change schedule. So I'm gonna go here. I'll show you guys where it's at. I'll even put it here in the announcements. So it's under content. If you go to course information, I have it here. It's called Spring Face-to-Face Schedule Update. Again, that means face-to-face for you guys. So a couple things I want to emphasize again. Spring break extended. It is an extra week, but one thing I want to emphasize to everybody: work on your term paper. Okay, work on it. I gave you guys the outlines, right there. Okay, actually on Wednesday, so use that to your advantage. Work on your term paper. Okay, so take advantage of this extra week off, and I would suggest working on your term paper. Okay, on the 23rd, you get back from Cancun or wherever you travel to, and work on the term paper. Okay, that'd be my suggestion. Everybody work on the term papers. You don't want to be working on it, okay, the night before it's due. On the 30th, I'm going to have Sub-Saharan Africa, but I'm going to do a YouTube lecture like I am right now through this video. So, unfortunately, there's going to be no clickers. There's going to be no group activities. I'm just going to have to do a traditional lecture. I will slow down. I will stop to make sure you guys get the information. Okay, you guys do have the study guide with you already, so that's the good news there, okay? So just make sure, of course, that you do have that study guide and you're filling it out as I go along. I'll also emphasize the portions that, of course, are going to be the short answers. So I will emphasize that, okay? Your assignment 7, I know you guys have a hard copy, is due April 5th, but it's going to be due in D2L. I'll show you guys how to turn your assignments, so don't worry about that too much, okay? And then you see here for April 6th through the 12th, okay, I will also do another YouTube lecture on North Africa and the Middle East, okay? And unfortunately, again, no clickers, no group activities. In fact, it's actually one of my favorite things to talk about is Israel and Palestine, but unfortunately, due to circumstances, I'm just going to have to do that and direct you to the YouTube videos, okay? I will also post the YouTube videos in D2L for you guys to access it, okay? So, you guys will see that. Assignment 8 will be due in D2L on April 12th, okay? So, if you've noticed so far that, I'm not going to do map quizzes online, that'd be impossible, okay? Tried that many years ago with problems. We won't go into that. A little laugh right there. But it's just going to be mainly your assignments, okay? So I just want to emphasize that. Now, if you notice here, tentatively, this can change, okay? I'm letting everybody know now, this can change. So make sure you guys are checking your emails and you're logging in D2L at least every 2 days for all your classes, not just mine. I know some of you guys take online classes. Some of you guys are hybrid, but make sure you're checking it. Also, if you're in high school, concurrent enrollment, still check it, okay? I know right now District 6 is saying they're open, but again, this can change. Okay, I know this does apply to the charter schools as well, okay? Private schools, that's a different matter, but I know most of you guys go to the District 6 public schools, or you go to other school districts here in Weld County, or even in Larimer County or Adams County, just check with school districts. But I'm letting you know now we're operating from an Ames aspect. So whatever Ames says goes for you guys that are concurrent enrollment. Okay, I forgot to mention that. 13th, though, tentatively we come back. Okay, we'll take Map Quiz 8 then that Wednesday. Okay, if you notice then, your exam number 3 will be due April 19th. Exam 3 is over Unit 7 and Unit 8. That's it. Okay? It is over Unit 7 and Unit 8. Okay? That'll be due April 19th. That is a significant change. Originally it's due the 12th. I'm changing it to the 19th. Okay? To benefit you guys. Then if you notice, April 20th through 26th, we'll do South Asia and East Asia. We'll have Map Quiz 9 then that Wednesday, and Assignment 9, that'll be due April 22nd. If we're back, I'll give you a hard copy. You'll do the normal hard copy, doing all semester. Okay? Very straightforward. For April 27th and the 3rd, we'll do East Asia. Your term paper, again, adjust a little bit, will be due April 26th. Okay? So it will be due April 26th. Okay? That, of course, if you look at the schedule here, and I'll pull it up. Okay? That is a Sunday. Okay? I'm actually going to do this right now for everybody. I'm going to change to the 27th. Okay? So I will change to 27th. So backtrack on that. Your term paper will be due April 27th in D2L. But again, I suggest working on it during that week you're off. Again, I know it's a month away, but work on it to get through the head. That's my suggestion to everybody. Okay? Map Quiz 10 will be April 29th. Okay? I'm not going to hold a Map Quiz 11. Okay? Because again, we pretty much covered everything we have to, so we're not going to go over Southeast Asia and Australia, unfortunately, this semester. Okay? Due to circumstances. Then if you notice, okay, that last class, which is that Monday there, okay, that's actually, okay, I'll show you right here when it is, okay. It's actually Monday the 4th, okay, Monday the 4th, okay. That is when your assignment 10 is due, but it will drop the lowest. So really, you have 9 more required assignments to turn in rather than 10. But turn in assignment 10 is I'll drop the lowest. Or let's say you forgot to turn one in, it will drop the lowest. Okay, so really, okay, you have really 3 more assignments due and 3 more map quizzes. Okay, and 2 exams and a term paper. So really you already have half your grades after you take the exam this weekend. Exam 4 will then be due May 5th, which is this date, by 11:59. Okay, that's going to be on a Tuesday instead. So those right there are the schedule changes. Okay, so make sure you write these in your planner. You have these there. Again, I will have this. This isn't D2L right now. I will also have it in the announcements. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go back to content right now as I want to show you guys where to go. Okay, for Sub-Saharan Africa, okay, you will need to go here. Okay, like I said, you already have the study guide, so you're fine. Okay, go here. You do have the PowerPoint already. What I'm going to do is, though, I'm going to create a video lecture for it, and it will be here in this. I'll show you guys how to access it too. Okay, but make sure you go through it. So under this, I will have a YouTube video that will have the lecture for all of Sub-Saharan Africa, okay? It's probably going to be about, 2 hours, okay? So I'm just warning everybody ahead of time, okay? So it's going to be about 2 hours as I'm going to explain everything. But again, you'll have plenty of time to complete it, okay? As like I said, there's going to be no group activities and no clickers, okay? I will also do the same thing as well for here. Again, I will create a YouTube video for the lecture on North Africa, Middle East. That one's probably going to be at least 3 hours from what I'm estimating, because I really am going to talk about, okay, Israel and Palestine, okay? Because I really want to make sure you guys understand what's going on in this region of the world. I'm also going to go over a little bit too on the Iran, especially the Iran hostage crisis. So again, make sure when you see these YouTube videos, I will let you know when they're available to do it. I have to create them all next week, okay? It's been a while since I've created some YouTube lecture videos, but again, I've done it in the past, so you guys will get all the information, I promise. And again, I will emphasize everything as well for the for the exam. Now, you're probably wondering how I turn assignments into D2L. Very straightforward. You click on here, by assignments at the top, okay? Now, if you notice here, okay, here they all are. Here's assignment 7, okay? I'm just going to click here on the Dropbox, okay? I will also post this in the announcements. You simply will add file. You're going to have to click on this right here, okay? And you're going to have to then type everything out. I know it's different than what we've done all semester, but again, we're operating under Stanley Williams circumstances, okay? I will have the updated copy in here, okay? I will have the updated copy, so that way, of course, you guys can work on it. But I will put the updated copy in there, so that way, of course, you guys will have the correct one. And then you just upload it, and that's all you have to do. Again, I'll show you guys how to do this again as well, okay, when submitting it, all right? So if you have any questions at all, send me an email immediately. Email is going to be the best way of communicating with me. If you want to do it in D2L, that's fine. If you want to do it through mark.moody@ames.edu, the other email, that's fine too. Okay? We'll get through this, okay? So I'm not going to see you guys for, almost a month, okay? But make sure, this is my biggest point, you log into D2 every 2 days. There are some of you that have yet to log in since February, okay? It's not going to work with this, okay? You have to log in every 2 days, okay? Email's just to check announcements for 2 minutes, log in every 2 days, okay? I say this for my online students and my hybrid students. So log in as much as possible, okay? I will let you guys know when the YouTube videos are ready, okay? I'm going to be creating those starting on the 23rd. They probably won't be available until the 30th. So during that week, 23rd through 27th, okay, your extended spring break, work on your term paper. Okay, I can't emphasize that enough, okay? So, if you got any questions, just let me know, okay? So, it's a lot of information to absorb. I will be in contact as well next week, so can't hurt. If you have access to your computer, do that. I want to say another thing too. If you do not have internet at home or you do not have a computer, you need to email me ASAP, okay? Because then I have to talk. We have to work things out. I have to go to my department chair and say, hey, so-and-so doesn't have this. What can we do to arrange it, okay? Ames will make arrangements for you. Make sure you guys do talk to your instructors if you do not have the internet or don't have a computer, okay? I get it, all right? But if you do not have internet and you want to go to, say, a restaurant or Starbucks and that, use your internet, go for it. I mean, just be careful if you want to go to the public libraries. They may shut down too. Okay, they may shut down. So I just want to emphasize that. The Ames Library, though, will be open, but I know for a good portion of you, that'd be a far commute. Okay, so if you know an internet hotspot, you don't have it at your residence, do that. Okay, so let me know if you got any questions. Everybody, we're gonna get through this together. You guys have been amazing so far this semester. Like I said, overall grades are good, but let's keep them good by doing well on exam number 2. Alright? Email me if you got any questions, okay? You guys have been amazing. We're going to get through this. Life still goes on, okay? Be happy. We'll get through this, okay? So, I'll talk to you soon. I will post another YouTube video.